Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between mountains, there lived a young boy named Arlo, who had a unique gift. Unlike the other children, who could run and climb, Arlo couldn't walk at all. But his heart was full of imagination, and he had a deep love for drawing. One day, the villagers heard about a legendary artist living in a distant city who could make paintings come to life. Fascinated, Arlo spent days drawing the artist on a piece of paper, wishing he could meet him and learn his secret. Despite his limitations, Arlo's dream never wavered. On his 12th birthday, his friends decided to help him fulfill this dream. They built a makeshift cart and pulled him all the way to the city. It was a long and tiring journey, but their determination was unwavering. Finally, after days of travel, they arrived at the artist's studio. When the artist saw Arlo's drawings, he was astounded by their beauty and depth. He said to Arlo, "The magic you seek is already within you. It's not the brush that brings art to life. It's the heart of the artist." The artist handed Arlo a golden paintbrush and whispered, "This brush will bring life to any drawing you create, but only if you believe." With excitement and doubt swirling inside him, Arlo used the brush to paint a pair of wings on a canvas. To everyone's amazement, the wings fluttered and lifted off the page, floating gently toward Arlo. The wings attached themselves to his back, and for the first time in his life, Arlo soared into the sky. From that day on, Arlo became known as the boy who painted his dreams into reality. He never needed to walk, because his heart had learned how to fly. This story blends magic with a heartwarming message about believing in oneself and the power of imagination.